Without the Avengers, can anyone save New York?
What do we have here? Seat backs and tray tables up, ladies and gentlemen. I'm gonna take care of you from here.
I do not think they can hear you, Captain Marvel.
Vision,
Captain Marvel? You're here too? Huh, well, it's good to have backup.
you think I'm your backup, Ant-Man?
I'll get the door. Black Panther!
Please, step aboard, quickly.
Hey, good to see you, Red Hulk. Just in time.
Mars said something about destroying a space station. Sounds like fun.
Can't hold it much longer.
Subscribe for more.